Alright guys, today working on a Yamaha Vino. This is a 50cc and the reason for this video is to show you how important a clean air filter is. Now I'm going to show you the difference, and we're going to ride this up and down the road with no air filter, with a bad air filter, and then with a clean air filter. And I'm going to run it with the air filter that it was brought here to me with, so we're about to go check it out. Alright guys, so here's the filter that it came with. Alright, it's pretty nasty. And just let me show you what happens. This is not going to take long because I can't even ride it with a filter like this. So let's see here. Alright, running. Alright, hear it dying. Boom, and it dies just from that air filter. Alright, so now it's running again. I'm going to put the cover back on with no air filter. So let's take it for a ride. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to talk and do this with one hand, but what I want you to see is a lot of people will take off their air boxes, open the air box up or take the air filter out thinking more air is going to help. And what happens with these is, you'll see, it takes off fine. That's it. It falls on its face right here. I got it wide open and it's just trying to go, but it can't. It's just chugging along here. Look at that, it's going 15 miles an hour, and that was downhill. Again, downhill, wide open. You can hear it bogging. It's just it's too lean. I'm wide open. That's it, it's all the way right there. Alright, little hill right here. Can't even do it. So let's get it back, put the air filter back on, let me show you what it does then. It's a brand new Yamaha air filter. Alright, let's see what this one does in the same stretch of road. Alright, here we go, and this is with the new Yamaha air filter. Let's see what it does. Same section of road. No problem at all. Let's turn it around. Alright, we're going to go up the same hill that we got stuck on before. There you go. Alright guys, that's all there is to it. So sometimes you'll see on these forums where they open up the airbox or do different modifications. If you're going to do one thing, you got to do something else. If you're going to open up the airbox, you got to rejet the carb. You can't just do one and not the other. So I wanted to show you the difference here. Just a simple clean air filter, no air filter, and a clogged air filter, just to show you the difference that you could have. So if you're experiencing any of these problems, make sure you go ahead and check everything, not just the spark plug, the fuel filter, the air filter. Make sure it's all good to go. If you're having problems with the bike idling or accelerating, this could be your issue. Please check it out on your bike. Guys, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time guys, this is Tepco Stock Repair.